So, subtracting rational expressions. When we are adding and subtracting fractions, we have to have a common denominator. If we already have just a bunch of stuff multiplied together, like 2xy and 4xy squared, we can just look at the stuff that's being multiplied together and figure out what's missing from each one. When we have denominators that have adds or subtracts in them, we first have to factor. What would make these the same? This already has an x minus 2, and this already has an x minus 2. This one has an x, so this one's going to need an x. So we're going to have to multiply top and bottom by x. So this one has an x and an x minus 2, this one has an x and an x minus 2, and a 2. So this is going to need a 2 as well. So I'm going to rewrite what we have. We have 2 times x plus 2 over 2 times x minus 2 minus x times x plus 2 over 2 times x minus 2. So distribute the 2. So you have 2x plus 4. Distribute the x. Now we have a minus here. So we're going to have minus x squared and it's almost like having a negative x there, so and minus 2x all over 2 times x minus 2. So I have 2x, subtract 2x. So usually we put the highest power in front. So we put in the negative x squared plus 4 over 2x times x minus 2. We should really try to simplify that if we can. So, negative x plus 4, or negative x squared plus 4. Negative x squared plus 4 really can factor. Because we have a perfect square and a perfect square, and one of them is negative and one of them is positive. Now, typically, we would think of it as x squared minus 4, right? To be able to factor it. So, if I take out a negative, I can switch the x squared to be positive and the 4 to be negative. What does x squared minus 4 factor into? X plus 2 and x minus 2. Negative x plus 2, x minus 2. X minus 2 is going to be so negative x plus 2 over 2x. Now, we have to go back and look at our restrictions, right? So look at the denominator before we cancel anything. We have an x sitting by itself, multiplied by a bunch of stuff, so x cannot equal 0. And we have an x in parentheses with 2. Oh, negative 2, right? So x cannot equal 2. Factor the denominators. Then look at the factors that make up each of your denominators. So here I just have an x minus 2. I also have an x minus 2 there. So they both already have an x minus 2. But the denominator on the right also has an x minus 1. So in order for them to be the same, I need to multiply the first fraction by x minus 1 over x minus 1. So then we can combine it all into a single fraction now that the denominators are the same. And then I have to see if I can simplify it, so I'm going to FOIL that out. So first with first would give me x squared. Outers would give me 3x. Inners would give me negative 1x. Last with last would give me negative 3. So simplifying this, I have x squared. 3x minus 1x would give me 2x minus 3. So x squared minus 4x plus 4 factors into x minus 2 times x minus 2. So I have x minus 2 times x minus 2 over x minus 1 times x minus 2. Now I can cancel those. So I have x minus 2 over x minus 2. X cannot equal 1 and x cannot equal